Hello. So we are studying the water cycle, and we want to make an experiment to explain to the kids how does the water cycle work, more or less. So I warmed up plain water. We need a crystal transparent jar. You don't see? Then come this other side.
A cup or a bowl or something
that can cover it and actually like cover it very well so that the vapor doesn't come out. Okay, so with the help of an adult, we're gonna warm up water and get it to boil, and then we're gonna put this very, very hot water here. Could you help your brother, please? So
no, I wasn't in
we can see here, we can see the steam. This vapor that we see is evaporation.
I don't see cloud.
You don't see? You don't see this vapor?
No, I mean
over
I don't
here?
see a cloud.
No, we don't have any cloud yet. Actually, maybe we won't be able to see a cloud, but let's imagine that this water is a lake. We have our lake here, and the sun is warming up the water and it's getting it very hot. And so we have the sky and the clouds. Hey, please behave. Behave. So we're gonna take our cup, or if you have like a bigger container, then maybe it can be a bowl or something. And then we're gonna put these on the very top. And then instead of that vapor going out, it's going to reach the sky, which is actually like thicker, as this cup is thicker. And then we can see that the vapor is forming here some drops. Can you see the drops, guys?
Yeah.
Do you see these drops?
Yeah.
Well, these drops is as if we were having rain inside. Look, my love. So I don't know if it has happened to you guys. Whenever you have a very warm shower, sometimes on the roof of your, on the ceiling of your bathroom, you see like some droplets. Well, that's exactly what happens in the sky. But those droplets are clumped all together, and that's how the clouds are formed. All of those drops from the vapor get together and get condensed into clouds, and that is what we call condensation. So here in this part, do you see that it's wet?
Yeah.
Look, there's a drop. There's even a drop here, a very small drop. Do you see the drops?
Mommy, you're just showing the thingy.
Híjole, the problem is that it actually doesn't show very well, right? But can you see the drops? There, we can see the shine of the water. Here, do you see? Lena? Do you see? So that's what happens. And then when the cloud is very, very heavy and it cannot hold that water anymore, then the cloud needs to release that water and it rains. Cool.
Doesn't show.
Well, we can kind of see the vapor, right? Do you want to eat the vapor or what? You're trying to eat the vapor?
Yeah.
After a while of leaving this cup on top of the very, very, very warm water, are you ready? Come, get up there. Look. Look at all the droplets.
Boop, boop.
See? You didn't see? Look. So after the water is condensed into the clouds and it starts raining, then that step and that rain is called, Ian, precipitation. Precipitation. It's raining on our cup. It is raining here. Now we have precipitation. See those droplets? Well, those droplets are gonna go back into the jar, and this step is called precipitation. When it rains, it's called precipitation.